star, Talafalama,
and welcome to the Samoan stage.
Here at St. James College, we have a small cohort of Pacifica students. There are approximately 50 students, and we all hail from different islands across the Pacific. Islands such as Samoa, New Zealand, Cook Island, Fiji, Philippines, Solomon Islands, and Papua New Guinea.
Some of the programs that we currently have here at St. James for our Pacifica students are Malanga Mentoring, Talanoa Time, PI Camps, and Pacifica University initiatives. All our programs are designed to guide, motivate, and empower our young people. They bring cultural awareness, help achieve academic goals, and unite us as a group.
In our performance tonight, we are showcasing the Samoan culture. Throughout the performance, you will see different styles of dances, such as a Siva Samoa, a whakaupoti, which is a boys' slap dance, a sasa, which is a rhythmic slap dance, generally performed while sitting, and a gaulunga. A gaulunga is traditionally performed by the village chief's daughter. Those who are chosen to perform the gaulunga see it as a great honour and a privilege.
Our performance tonight is dedicated to our seniors of 2020. Due to COVID, they were unable to experience Culture Night. So as a way of showing our appreciation to the class of 2020, I would now like to introduce to you the Pacifica students of 2021. Malalava.
For our closing act tonight, the students will now perform and participate in the Samoan tradition of the taulunga. The taulunga is usually performed by the village chief's son or daughter, and they represent the pride of the village and the pride of the family. Well, here in our village and family, we have a tradition each year that we select a Year 12 student to represent us. This year, we are proud to present the pride of our village and our family, Kaylee Naoupu, as our centerpiece to our entire performance tonight. During the evening, as she's performing, you will see her family members come up with money, with gift, cheering. And if you feel inspired to do so, we invite you to come in and join in the festivities as we close off this night. Usi malimoa masisila. Choo!
Tau susu lea yulia luilea toa suile malo mama lua ile tuina salani le uua ovale ila awalunga ioleta so asilile mata ina fai mama lule faiva isilile sila sila Taura wangaba isio sasa ele mama luna yola esilia tulava iona poneila Samoa mama lua ila valo sausa unoa Vai mama lule fai vai mama